Guys, welcome back to Like Sisters. Maryam Sumayra. Today we're going to show you how to do headbands like this. And guys, make sure you watch this video. We made these and these also. So let's get started. First, I'm going to take this red fabric, like it's this long. Yeah, it should be like this much long. So now we're going to start folding it like this. You fold one part like this, and you fold the other part. So you fold like both of them into the middle, and then you take thread. So it's gonna look something like this. See, let's show you. Gonna get about. I think. Oh wait, let me start doing it else. Know how much I need. So, yep, and let's just roll. And you guys need two of them. So I'm doing one and Sumayra's doing one. So you guys could show you to do it. Yep. Guys, make sure you're so be careful because we're using a hot glue gun and we're gonna use this. And we could be something. Now here you go. Let's put that on. I'm just sorry. Get some thread for you so you can start rolling. And I'm gonna move to the next step and show you guys this step. Basically, you do this. Guys, if you guys are wondering how you guys close this, you do not close it. You just wrap it around and you cut it. You don't touch it. But if you do this, then it's gonna open the whole thing. So, yeah. Here now we're gonna move on. I'm gonna show you how to do this thing. It's like a blade thing. So basically, you take a needle like this. You have like this part of it like that. So now I'm gonna be taking this. You guys have this part like you tie a knot so it cannot come out. So, yeah. And we're gonna be taking this way. Go and here. Be careful. And again, be careful so you cannot hurt your hand. This is so dangerous. And here. So you basically go like that until the whole thing is finished, and it's gonna look something like this. And you guys, and it'll look something like this. Okay, guys, I finished them. Now we're gonna be finishing up the thing. So basically, do a hole like that, and then do this and do that. Yeah. And then when you see where like the thing is over there, you cut it. Okay, here's the scissors. Okay, let's use this one and finish. So this is how it looks. See, it's so pretty. Yeah. Now we'll need a hot glue gun. Let me turn it on. So basically, how we're gonna be doing it, like glue these two like that. And then we're gonna glue it like this around like an X, and you're gonna make this with the feathers and this decoration this way. You don't want it on the thing, so you can actually you want it this way. So that's gonna look pretty. Yeah, it's gonna look more prettier. So that's what we're trying to do. Let's see if my glue is hot. It's not hot yet. Let's wait a little bit more. So like we're gonna do. Guys, this is so pretty. Look at this. Let's check it. Oh, it's got hot. I should be careful so I don't get myself burned. Now I need a hot glue. You need a like
an
X.
Yeah.
It looks like an X.
So here it is. Now I'm going to be putting hot glue over here and gluing it on this like that.
Okay, now it's my turn to use hot glue. Make sure you use a lot so
it can glue good.
Like that. Okay, here. Let's glue it on. Glue this
How it looks so far. Yours is coming out well.
Yep.
Now I'm going to take the headband I'm using and put hot glue on it.
I'm gonna let it dry. That's done.
And keep it in here like that. And keep on putting layers of glue on the headband so when you put it on your head, the flower doesn't
It would look something like the rose has like a wing or something. Okay, guys, now we're gonna put the hot glue to glue the flower.
Guys, I already put the glue over here and I let it dry, so it actually dried. Now I am gonna be attaching my flower. I think that was my flower.
Oh, okay, sorry. It's okay. Yeah, let's let it dry.
So now I'm gonna decide which way I wanted it to be.
Okay.
So which way do you think I should do it? I think this way.
Yeah, it should be facing that way.
Yeah, I'm just asking her to see which way will look beautiful.
Yeah.
So this is how it looks.
Okay, now I'm gonna hot glue this.
You want help?
Yeah, but this is kind of dangerous.
So I'm gonna be putting it over here. And once you do the headband part, you have to wait for it to
do it
really...
this way like that.
Yeah, this way over there. Now you have to wait for it to dry.
Okay, guys, this is how it looks. Everything dried, so now this is how it looks from everything dried. It looks so pretty.
Yeah, it looks really pretty. I like it.
I love it. I don't like it, but I love it.
Me too. And don't forget to check out our other videos we did.
These.
And these.
And this.
And this. I like the one you have.
I like the one you have also.
Yeah.
And I like this one and this one.
And also check out our Facebook account right over here. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe.
And our name is right down here on Facebook account.
Yeah. See you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.